pakilala niyo muna isa't isa. Sige.
Ako si Genesis sa vocals and guitar, right?
Anthony guitars and
Sige, pakilala mo na yung iba.
Ako si Yaut sa percussion, si Paul sa bass, Angel on drums, and of course si Gilbert on guitars.
Brown Outfit Bureau. Bakit yun yung pangalan nila? Brown Outfit Bureau. Well, that's a very interesting name for a band.
Isang collective na, gusto namin isang collective na name. At the same time, may immediate na,
Impact.
Maliban sa impact, immediate na knowledge or identity para sa kulay natin, which is very Pinoy nga.
Yes.
Okay na. Actually, pwede may play din yun.
Sige, okay. Si Drummer Boy.
Pangalawang pangalan na ng banda yun. After 5 years, yung pangalan ng banda Fluid. Tapos after 5 years, nagpalit kami. Yung
Call
Brown
ourselves Fluid.
Fluid.
Tapos for a time, naging one taman. Tapos later, naging Brown.
So, 5 taon na kayo tumutugtog.
Started out January 7 of 2000. So,
Okay.
it's 11 years.
11 years. 11 years. Ang galing ha, very unique yung tugtugan niya. It reminds me of the 90s era na The Woods, like, yung kumanta na Long Hair, Weed, The Youth, mga ganun nga. Pwede pa nga ng Brown Beat All Stars, yung Ska type. Ang galing ha, very unique.
Actually, karamihan sa repertoire namin laman nun eh puro 90s music. Although,
Okay.
of course, we also write our own materials. So, basically, puro 90s rock yung
Influences nyo.
Of course, yung OPM and
Yes.
other foreign bands, of course.
And then napansin ko, bawat stanza, iba-iba yung kumakanta. So talagang kayo yung tatlong main vocalist.
Main vocalist. Tapos, karamihan sa mga songs namin, tatlo rin kami kumakanta.
Nagkataon lang ba yun o talagang pinagplano nyo na para iba, tatlo tayo kakanta? Galing ha?
Noong una silang dalawa lang tayo.
Mhm.
Tapos,
Idol niya si Ryan.
Ryan.
Thanks, man. Thanks, Ryan.
Okay, sige. Songwriting, sino nagsusulat?
Basically ako, saka si Aldrin, tapos pag inaareglo na ng grupo, may input si Angel most of the time, tapos naging song na siya, basically.
11 years and go ahead, Mark.
I'm just curious yun, 11 years, 2000 kayo nag-start. Like, magkakaibigan ba kayo from before? I mean, paano kayo nag-start talaga? Paano nabuo yung grupo?
Parang siguro pang sensibility na rin, gusto namin tumugtog, sige, kuha ka ng gitara, kukuha ko ng isang membro na kakilala ko, tapos basically mga magkakaibigan.
Okay.
Lahat ba kayo from Manila? Or
Puro try lang.
lahat kayo from Tarlac? Galing pa kayo Tarlac now? Wow! Ang layo! Ang palakpakan mga kayanin eh. Mga support talaga. Ay,
Brown Bureau from Tarlac.
Grabe, Tarlac, right. And sa Tarlac pa, may eksena ba yung music doon? Sino kailangan ng music?
Lately, naging active na yung Tarlac, lalo na sa mga original na songs. Nagsusulat yung mga local na grupo doon na basically nakasabay na rin kami. Nakaka-influence kami sa ibang mga grupo na nandun.
Yes.
Kasi dati, puro originals, puro cover lang yung ginagawa ng mga bands sa Tarlac. Later on, nagsusulat ng mga sariling songs nila.
Yun yung importante. Pwede ka mag-cover. I mean, syempre, influence yan eh. Pero talagang it boils down to writing your own songs. Meron ba kayong album na lalabas? Ano bang plano ng Pop Now?
Pop album.
Ano? Here it is.
Ayun. What's that?
Brown Outfit Bureau. Very rasta yung ano niya. Very reggae, reggae yung theme ng album. Ganito ba yung ma-expect natin sa loob?
basically kasi yung pinaka-peg na music namin is reggae ska punk. So,
Reggae ska punk.
Reggae ska and punk.
Okay. Kasi ang daming kanta. Ilang tracks?
May covers.
Wow. 21 tracks.
21 tracks.
Wala pa yung mga bago. Is this a collection of 11 years of songwriting? You know?
Parang ganun na rin. We're planning to sell this on isang
Fundraising na game.
isang fundraising na event sa Tarlac, isang town sa Tarlac. Gumawa kami ng ilang song, I think 100. 300. We're planning to sell it sa mga local sa isang fundraiser na concert.
But aside dun sa fundraising, how can they get a copy of this album?
Pwede siguro i-check yung Facebook account.
Go ahead.
Dahil sa promote nyo, plug nyo yung Facebook nyo.
I-add nyo kami sa Facebook, Brown Outfit Bureau, at yahoo.com. Magkaka Brown Outfit Bureau. at yahoo.com.
Plug ko rin yung album and if you want to thank some people,
Or
go
promote
ahead.
anything.
This is not an official album, but at least if you're interested, guys, you can always log on to Facebook and check this name, Brown Outfit Bureau. And of course, salamat. Maliban pala dito sa album, salamat si Ryan Sarmiento of Six Cycle Mind Band for hooking up with us.
Si Len.
Right,
Right,
right.
hello, Tarlakenyo.
Sige, anong next song na gagawin nyo?
Next song namin title In This Strange World para sa lahat ng mga Tarlakenyo.
Andito ba yun? Ayun, In This Strange World. Okay. Pero mamaya-maya mga ka-MU, babalik pa tayo with TOB to BMS or final song. Kaya relax na kayo dyan. Pero ngayon, ito muna. In This Strange World,
Just tell me all the things that you want me to do. Try my very best to be a better man. And I'll try my very best to make you understand. It's something that I can't really promise, but it's more than what I promised to be. I see so beautiful you, and every time I close my eyes, I hear your voice that whispers me your sweet lullabies. Wake up each day and remind me that I am alive. I'm alive in your heart. You make my drinks so clean at night. You make my toes come calling right. See that I can always kiss goodnight. It's you that I can always embrace. Oh, so tight. I've become a better person just being with you. Becoming who I am, give some more credit for. When I look at you, I see no imperfection. I see so beautiful you, and every time I close my eyes, I hear your voice that whispers me your sweet lullabies. Wake up each day and remind me that I am alive. I'm alive in your heart. In this strange world that we often find partiality, who is of the purest in your eyes I always see, and your heart alone.
We would like to thank our following sponsors.